Hello students, in this video I will discuss some basic commands for SQL, especially select command. The select query, as you can see, the select statement is used to fetch the data from a database, that is table, which returns this data in the form of a result table. These result tables are called result sets. The syntax for select statement, select query for SQL is select column name from table name. The column name may be 1, maybe 2, or more than 2. Whatever you want to fetch the columns, just write SQL command is select column name, then from, then the name of the table. There is another syntax for fetching the data from table, that is select asterisk, that is star asterisk mark from the table name. By using in place of column name here asterisk to fetch the all data from your table, all the columns. For example, this is my table student P details. The columns are roll number, name, branch and states. Now suppose I write a query select roll number comma branch from student P detail. Here the roll number and branch are column and the student P detail is my table. Now I am just fetching only two rows, only the two column, roll number column and branch column. Here the first is roll number and third one is branch. So it will give me a detail. This will be the output, the roll number and the branch from the student P table. Same query, suppose I am writing select name comma state comma roll number from student P detail. What would be the output? Suppose in this I am fetching the name column, the state column and the roll number from table name. Now the name, state and roll number from student P detail. Suppose I write the query select asterisk from P detail, then it will fetch all the details whatever in the student P detail table. Here is the student P detail. It will display whole table data. As you can see, select asterisk from P detail, output is roll number, whole roll number, name, branch, state. Now we use where clause in select statement. The SQL where clause is used to specify a condition while fetching the data from a single table or by joining with multiple tables. In this video I am using on a single table. After this video I will discuss more than one table, how to use more than one table. The where clause is not only used in the select statement but it is used in update, delete statement etc. I have already discussed in my previous video the use of update command and use of delete command. Now here the syntax for where clause using select statement, select column name from table name, then where, then write the condition, and you can write the select asterisk from table name where condition. You can specify a condition using the comparison or logical operator like, greater than, less than, equal to, like, not, etc. For example, this is my B student table. These are the columns roll number, name, class, phone number and GPA. Now suppose I want to fetch all detail of a student from students table where GPA is greater than 7.0. So the SQL command will be select asterisk from B student the table name where GPA is greater than 7.0. Here I am fetching all details. Suppose I want to fetch only roll number, those GPA 7.0, then we write select roll number. Here I am fetching all detail, all the columns from student B table where GPA is greater than 7.0. Now the SQL command will be select asterisk from BE student where GPA is greater than 7.0. This will be the output, the roll number, name, class, phone number and GPA, because I am fetching all detail asterisk. Here GPA is more than 7.0. Now for Amar and Rajesh have more than 7.0. Now you can see the roll number B0001 and B003, Amar and Rajesh having 8.2 and 7.6 GPA. The same, suppose you want to fetch the only roll number and name of the student table where GPA is greater than 7.0. Then we write select roll number comma name from the table name is BE student where GPA is greater than 7.0. Here I am fetching only column, roll number column and the name column. So not use asterisk. The output will be the roll number and name. Now fetch all detail of student from B student table where name is Mohit. Suppose I want to fetch all detail of Mohit whose name is Mohit. Then we write the SQL command will be select asterisk from B student where name equal to Mohit. Mohit in single quote because the data type for name is varchar. That's why I am using in quote. This will be the output, the roll number, name, class, phone number and GPA where name is equal to Mohit. Now in this table there are two Mohit, the roll number is 005 and 006, so it will display the whole detail of Mohit. And or consecutive operators. We also use and or operators in select statement. For the syntax for and or is select column name from table name where condition 1 and condition 2 and it may be more than 1 or 2 condition. The second syntax is select asterisk from table name where condition 1 and condition 2 and it may be more than 1 condition. For example, this is my table, B student table, the roll number, name, class, phone number, GPA. Suppose I write select asterisk from B student where class equal to B and GPA is greater than 7.0. So it will check with the class is equal to B should be B and GPA should be greater than 7.0. So both the condition will be true. Then it will display the result. Now this is the roll number is B0012020, name is Amar, the class is B and GPA is 8.2. So you can see the Rohit is also having the class is B but the GPA is 6.8. But I am using the both condition, the class should be B and the GPA should be 7.0. So it will display this. Same as the next query is select roll number comma name from B student where class is equal to BCA and name is Mohit. I want only fetch the roll number and name from B student table where class should be BCA and name is Mohit. Now here you can see the roll number B005 2020, name is Mohit, B006 2020, the name is Mohit. So you can see the OR operator used to combine multiple condition in SQL statements where clause the use of OR. You can, this is the syntax for OR clause, and suppose I am writing the command SQL select asterisk from B student where class equal to B or GPA is greater than 8.0. It will display the roll number is 001, name is Amar, have BE class and GPA is 8.2. You can see the B004 2020, name is Rohit, class is B and GPA is 6.8. Now you see here the GPA is 6.8 and I am here writing the GPA should be greater than 8.0. Now this is the basic difference between AND clause and condition and OR condition. In AND, both the condition should be true, all the condition. In OR, minimum one condition should be true. So for this Rohit, the B is true. Yes, B, the class is B, and for Amar, both the condition is true. Now, SQL like clause. The SQL like clause is used to compare a value to similar value using wildcard operator. Now we use percentage sign and underscore sign. The syntax for using like clause is there. Now you can see in example. Suppose this is my table, B student table. These are the column, roll number, name, class, phone number and GPA. Suppose I am writing here, select asterisk from B student where name like M%. Here I am writing the like clause using M%. So it will give me a result. The roll number is B005 2020, name is Mohit, class is BCY. Because I am using name like M%. If you write in beginning of percent any character, it will check in name whether the name starts from M in or not. Yes, the Mohit, the name is starts from M, the first letter is M. That's why it give the result M. Now in second condition, SQL select asterisk from B student where name like %M. Here I am writing after percent the character M. So whether any name that's the last letter is M, no. The result will be no row selected. This is the difference between M% and percentage M. It will check the first letter and it will check the last letter. Now same in this condition, select asterisk from student table where name like %H%. The character is between two percentages. So it will give result. Is there any name in B table whose letter H is in their name or not? Yes, in Rajesh H is there. Yes, in Rohit H is there. Yes, Mohit H is there. Yes, again Mohit H is there. So it will give the result like this. In between, if H is anywhere, then it will give all the result. I am checking the name. Now for in this query, select asterisk from B student where name like underscore A. It will give result. Roll number B003 2020. Name is Rajesh. Class is BBA. Phone number is this and GPA is this. Why? In this condition, it will check the second letter of name is A or not. Yes, in Rajesh, in my B table, only the name is Rajesh whose second letter is A. If you use third letter, then use 2 underscore. Now order by clause. The SQL order by clause is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order. For example, by default it give you result in ascending order. Suppose select asterisk from B student order by GPA. Here GPA is in my ascending order. I am selecting all the data order by GPA. Here GPA is in ascending order. Suppose you write select asterisk from B student order by name, then according to name it will be ascending. First Amar, then this type. If you use select asterisk from B student order by roll number, then the roll number will be in order. First B001, then B003, then 4, then 5, then 6. Here I am using the order by GPA, so the GPA is in order wise, the ascending order. In same, select asterisk from B student order by GPA disk DESC. Here we use for descending order. Now you can see This is the GPA is in descending order. Now, aggregate function. An aggregate function performs a calculation on a set of value and returns a single value, except the count. Here in SQL database, also we use 5 aggregate function: count, average, sum, min, and max. Here for counting, this function returns the number of rows that matches the specified. So average, for averaging, function returns the average value of a numeric column. For the numeric value. For sum is also for minimum, and maximum is also for numeric column. For sum, calculating for minimum value, for maximum value. Now in this you can see, suppose I write select count name from B student. Now it will check the total number of rows in B student. How many names are in B student? The total number of rows are 5. So it will result 5. Same, select count name as total student from B student. We can use as select count name as, you can write any name, it will result the same, total student 5. For average, select average, then column name GPA from table name. Here average GPA is 7.14. Same, select sum GPA from student table. The sum of total is 35.7. Now for minimum, same, select minimum mean in bracket GPA, the column name from B table name B, the minimum GPA is 6.2. Here you same, select max GPA from B student, the max GPA is 8.2. For counting, select count from B student where GPA is 7.0. Here I am also using the where clause in this aggregate function. How many GPA have more than 7.0? Yes, the two rows have more than 7.0 CGPA. Now group by clause. The SQL group by clause is used to collaboration with the select statement to arrange identical data into a group. This group by clause follows the where clause in a select statement and precedes the order by clause. Here suppose I write select class comma count in bracket the column name, that is class, from B student group by class. It will be result BCA, there are 2 values, for B there are 2 values, for BBA there is 1 value. Here we use the group by clause. I am here writing the select class. First select the class, then count the class. Here we are using counting the class from B student group by class. Thank you.